industries at the top in terms of adoption might be tech firms. Maybe 75, 80% of them are using tools, or are using AI tools. But the most fascinating ones to us was financial services, manufacturing, and even farms. When you go down into it, you'll see adoption rates upwards of 30 to, in the case of financial institutions, above 50% usage. And so it's much wider. There's really few industries where you're seeing no usage at all.
What about your own? How you're using it? Is it changing the way you are providing the services?
Absolutely. So a couple different things. First, if you think about the product and services that we offer, most people know us for a credit card that does your expenses. So you tap the card and your expense report does itself. You upload an invoice and all the line items are read, all the accounting is done for you. So it's automating a lot of these small processes that no one likes to do.
Sounds like heaven on earth.
That's right. That's right.
Can you add Versant to your?
We would love to help. But it's even changing the way that our engineers build software. Just over this past week, nearly half of all the code that our engineers actually wrote, they wrote in English, and an AI agent translated that into Python or machine-based code. And so even the nature of work is changing.
To what degree do you think there is scarcity among corporates for things like, as you say, they're trying to dip their toe into?
Yes. So, first, when you think about just the motivation for any company, they want to be more profitable. They want to run more lean. And so when you think about part of why Ramp's adoption has grown, we help the average company reduce their expenses by about 5% per year, in part by the adoption of AI tools. It's AI that's fast enough to see a charge that's out of your expense policy, blocks it before it goes through. Having your most valuable salesperson doing expense reports instead of selling the next deal is not a good use of their time. And so what corporates are very hungry for is tools like a Ramp that can actually deliver measurable ROI. And I think that the companies that are seeing their adoption grow are able to connect it to true return on investment.
Right.